how to change display name in Roblox. So first, just open up your browser, then search for roblox.com right here. Once you're on Roblox, just simply click on the gear icon on the top right corner and click on settings. Then here's your display name and your username. And if you check and change your username, you will need to pay 1,000 Robux. So it's up to you if you want to change your username also. But for this video, we will only change our display name. And if we click the edit icon right here, as you can see, there's a note at the bottom which says important, your display name can only be changed once every 7 days. So I'll just simply set it to right here. I'll just simply change it to Chevy KT without the underscore and just simply click on save. And as you can see, it automatically changed. And when I go to my profile again, now it is updated and the underscore has been removed. And that's how you basically change your display name in Roblox.